Today I'm going to show you how to use the slice button on Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you want to do is get to your Cricut Design Space. You're going to want to go over here to the top right. In this green button, it says New Project. And once you get into here, this is where you're going to want to upload whatever it is, the images that you want to slice. So there's many different ways you can use slicing and why you would want to use it, but I'm just going to give you an option today so I can show you exactly what I mean. So let's just use this right here, this little Grim Reaper. This is going to give you the perfect example of why you may want to use slicing. So let's pretend for some reason I want to get rid of this bottom half of his, I don't even know what you want to call that, a cleaver, his weapon, whatever it is. Say I want to get rid of this bottom half. Slicing will come in handy here. So what I can do is I'm going to grab a shape. I usually will take a square. Depends on what your object is, I suppose. But I'm going to use a square today. I'm going to take my square. I'm going to put it over the part of the weapon that I want to get rid of. I might even want to unlock this square so I can change the direction. That way I get more of that image there, okay? Now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to either click both items and hit shift so I can select them both, or I'm going to click and drag to select both items. Once I have them both selected, I go over here to the right and I can click this slice button. All you need to do is click it once. There you go. You see how now I have an outline in my square. So I'm going to move my square. I'm going to move this gray piece, and then I'm going to want to move this black piece, and now my piece is gone. And that's how you can slice an image to get rid of something unwanted in an image that you have. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you learned from it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you see my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.